Lou Guzman, ex-meat lugger with a first-grade education. He started working for the old boss of bosses as a hitter. He controls narcotics statewide now, dabbles in prostitution. He has big friends everywhere. I want Casal and DiGiorgio on him next. Thank you. Now, this one is for your special talents, Callahan. Frank Palancio, 212 pounds. Indicted for murder 23 times, no convictions. Complains about his health now. Suffers from ulcers, migraine headaches, dangerously violent. At one point, he was Ricker's principal assassin. If you mix it with him, he won't back off. He's all yours, Callahan.
That's very nice, Lieutenant, but I don't think Palancio...
I want you on him, Callahan.
Look, Lieutenant, I'd bust Palancio for stepping on a crack in the sidewalk if I could, but this isn't his style. Not the cars, anyway. It's too direct.
Callahan, you just keep your nose pressed against Palancio's ass until I get a warrant from the DA's office to bring him in. I want the first conviction on this animal.
Conviction? He's liable to be your next victim. What are you asking for, Lieutenant?
I'm not asking you to follow him, Inspector. For the last goddamn time, I'm telling you. Next. Nick Royale. Palancio's #1 hitter. He's had good training.